Jill Smith has already won $9,500. She is back to try to make it again to the bonus sprint today on Scrabble. A 9-letter word. The clue is a shapely old-timer. It's the crossword game you've played all your life, but never quite like this. And here's your host, Chuck Woolery.
Thanks, everybody. Thank you, Charlie. Tune in. Welcome to Scrabble. It's the television version of everyone's favorite game. Home viewer word was sent in by Kurt McKenna from El Rio, California. And get a pencil and paper ready now, because later on in the show, I'm going to tell you how you can enter the Scrabble Summer Sweepstakes. Now, we're going to be giving away great prizes to you folks out there in our home audience, so stay tuned for that. And the bonus today is worth $5,000. Charlie's going to introduce our first two players. Charlie?
She's our champion. He's a travel lecturer. From Norway, Michigan, Jill Smith. And from Santa Ana, California, Orman Day.
All right, got two very enthusiastic folks here. Hi, Jill.
Hi, Chuck.
Jill is our champion with $9,500. Boy, what a day you had yesterday.
I'm going to pay back some student loans, I think.
Now, how much do you owe in student loans?
I don't even want to think about it, Chuck.
Is it over $9,500?
It's probably kind of close.
Oh, so you might be able to take care of the whole thing in one fell swoop,
Yeah,
huh?
I might play a little bit,
Yeah,
too.
yeah. Well, welcome back, Jill. Good luck to you today. Hi, Orman.
Hello, how's it going?
Fine. Tell me about yourself.
Well, about 2 years ago, I quit my job in hospital public relations as part of my midlife crisis, and I took off on some travels with a backpack on my back, and I've been to 82 countries now.
Oh, that's great.
So I just got back from New Zealand, where I bungee jumped.
Oh, I'd like to, you know, I know this sounds nuts, but I'd like to do that. You stand on a bridge, you put a bungee around your ankles.
And then you just
jump.
It's like sheer terror when you jump, but once you've made the leap of faith, afterwards you feel like you've been enlightened or something.
I know. Yeah, that must be a lot of fun, really. Yes, I think they have a bungee god over there, as a matter of fact, that they pray to. I hear them say his name on the way down. See, you're the challenger, Orman. You're going to go first. We'll play Scrabble till somebody gets 3 words right. That player goes on to our Scrabble sprint. And a chance at the bonus sprint worth $5,000. Take a look at the board as we set up for the first game. Building on the letter A, 9 letters in the word. And the clue is sometimes he's a double crosser. Now, when you think you know the word, hit your buzzer. Don't forget to think of the bonus.
He's a double crosser. I'll take the 1 and the 3.
J or a U?
J.
It's worth $500 if you can tell me what it is right now. Sometimes he's a double crosser. I don't know that thing. Let's try that again. There you go. That's got it.
Jaywalker.
That's right. It's jaywalker. Yeah.
This is a new transmission for my car.
It is?
Yes, I'm excited.
So you're backpacking with a car? How do you?
No, I'm back home and now I need a car.
So you need a car. I see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you seem to be very happy to be here.
I'm very happy.
Yeah. You've just made that bungee jump, and I guess everything's uphill after that, isn't it?
That's right. It literally.
All right. Jill, building on the letter A in jaywalker, there's 6 letters in this word. The clue is some people will look at you in disgust and say, you've had it.
Okay, I'll take tile number 4 and number 2.
D and an L.
How about the D, please?
No, sorry, that's a stopper. Orman, some people will look at you in disgust and say you've had it.
Let's take a 1. Let's take the L, please. Let's take the I, please.
It's worth $1,000. Some people will look at you in disgust and say you've had it.
Garlic.
Yes. You're terrific at this game.
I'm happy.
You're a little frenetic, but you're terrific. I mean, gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. Now, does this mean if you win a lot of money, you're going to take off and backpack again?
I'm going to take off. I'll go to Yemen.
Oh, great. Yemen. Building on the letter I in garlic, Jill. Let's try to win this and keep him out of Yemen, okay? 9 letters in the word. The clue is, it's a matter of life and death. It's a matter of life and death. Give you $1,000 if you could tell me what it is right now.
I can't do
No?
it, sorry.
Okay.
Number 10 and the number 4.
B and a Y.
How about the B, please?
First letter in the word. It's a matter of life and death.
Oh, I don't see it. The Y.
The last letter in the word. It's a matter of life and death.
Okay, I'm going to go for number 8 and the number 9.
A and an L.
The L, please.
Orman?
Okay, let's take number 5.
A and a D.
The D, please.
Jill, in pretty good shape. Only one stopper left.
Okay, number 7.
A and an R.
The R, please. And let's take the A.
It's a matter of life and death.
Just don't see it. Number 3 and number 11.
H and an O.
The O. And the H, please.
$1,000. It's a matter of life and death.
Biography?
That's got it. Everybody's winning some money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. Going to stay with you, Jill, since you're behind. We're not going to stay with you. We're going to play speed word. Hands on your buzzers. Don't answer till I say go. Put the letters in place one at a time. Last letter's up to you. Orman's going for the game. Jill's trying to tie it up. We're building on the letter A in biography. There are 6 letters in this word, and the clue is, he was a revolting young man. Wait till I say go.
Oh, I'm sorry.
He was a revolting young man. Ready? Go.
I don't know.
You're on your own, Orman. He was a revolting young man. Ready?
Ready.
Go.
Castro.
That's right, it was Castro. Oh, my gosh. He made you nervous, didn't he? You thought, well, I'll block him out and take a shot at this. Yeah. Well, you did well. I mean, good night. $10,500. Thank you, Jill, for
Thank
playing.
you.
We really
Great
enjoyed
time.
having you.
Thanks.
Good luck to you, Ann. And Orman has $2,000. Not a bad first round. We'll be back to watch him play Scrabble Sprint right after this. Stay with us.
And now back to Scrabble and Chuck Woolery.
Well, you know, that was interesting because had you hit that buzzer after I said go, I mean, you'd have been penalized for it just
right.
like she was. But in fact, you didn't hit it before I said go, so it took it out of play.
I'm
Boy,
lucky.
did that work for you or what? Okay. He's going to establish a time. The winner of the next crossword to try to beat that time. Play the same 4 words. Remind you to hit your plunger. That's what stops the clock. And no stoppers. All the letters are good. Good luck. First word, 5 letters. It's always in the top 10.
It's always in the top 10.
Ready?
Ready.
Go.
G. Oh, H. T. G.
It's always in the top 10.
8.
Yes. Second word, 6 letters. It's just one of those things.
It's just one of those things.
Ready?
Ready.
Go.
D. A. Doodad.
That's right. Third word, 7 letters. Kids are always wearing them out.
Kids are always wearing them out.
Ready?
Ready.
Go.
K. S. T.
Kids are always wearing them out.
C. A. Jackets.
Last word, 9 letters. A real cut-up.
A real cut-up.
Ready?
Ready.
Go.
R. T. S.
A real cut-up.
C. U. I. Kuzenart.
What? What, Gary? What? You'll accept that? Okay. Hey, folks, I just stand here and do it. They got a panel here that says it's good. So 34.4, congratulations. And we'll be back to test our next opponent right after this. Stay with us. Two new contestants, and Charlie's got them. Charlie?
She's an executive director. He's in computer graphics. Originally from Honolulu, Hawaii, Carol Dreyer. And from Anaheim, California, Scott Young.
All right, nice to have you both here. How are you, Carol?
Oh, terrific. Really glad to be here.
Now, tell me about yourself.
Well, I am the executive director of a nonprofit organization which raises money for cancer research. And in my spare time, I'm planning a very long vacation to Austria.
Oh, that's great. When are they going to find a cure for this, Carol? This has been going on far too long.
Well, actually, there's a lot of progress being made, more now than any other time. And people always forget cancer is over 100 different diseases.
Well, that's right. Yeah, you do forget. Yeah. Well, thanks for that little piece of expertise on it. Scott, tell us about yourself.
Well, Chuck, I'm a doctor in the world of computer graphics. So one of the large aircraft manufacturers here has about 400 of my company's computer graphic systems. And when one of them gets sick, I make a house call.
All right, well, that must be interesting. Who won the toss backstage?
I did.
Let's go to the board. Building on the letter E, 8 letters in the word, and the clue is they're always asking people for directions to the bathroom. Excuse me, you know where the bathroom is?
They're always asking people for directions to the bathroom. I'll take a 3 and a 2.
Well, you got a T or an R?
Place the T.
No. It's not going to work, Carol.
I'll take the 10.
B or an R?
We place the B
They're always asking people for directions to the bathroom.
and place the R. Take the 9 and the 8.
L and an R.
Place the L.
$500. They're always asking people for directions to the bathroom.
I don't know it, but give me the R.
No, that's a stopper. Scott, you're in pretty good shape here. Only one stopper left.
Yes, well, I know the word. There's no money up there, so I'll take a guess. Plumbers.
Plumbers, exactly right. Yeah, we're looking for plumbers. Building on the letter E in plumbers, 7 letters in the word. The clue is he'd walk a mile for a camel.
I'll take the 9 and the 8.
I and a B.
Place the B and the I.
Just take your time, Carol, unless you're double parked. Yeah, it's worth $500. He'd walk a mile for a camel.
Gosh, I don't know that one. I'll take the 7 and the 6.
U or an A?
Place the A.
Scott?
Well, Chuck, again, I know it. There's no money up there, so I'll guess it. Bedouin?
Bedouin would walk a mile for a camel. He sure would. Now, Carol, you can really slow down because he's racing through these things, so. Building on the letter I and Bedouin. 8 letters in the word. The clue is employees often do it from 9 to 5.
Employees often do it from 9.
Now, before you pick that tile, let me tell you that I'll give you $500 if you can tell me what it is right now. Employees often do it from 9 to 5. Have any idea?
No.
Okay. Take a couple of tiles.
The 5 and the 2.
N or an N?
N or an N? I'll take the N. And the other N.
That's a stopper. Scott.
This time I don't know it. I'll take 2 tiles, the 1 and the 4.
A and an L.
Place the L. And the A.
Employees often do it from 9 to 5.
I do know, but let's go for some money. We'll take the 6 and the 7.
M or a Y.
I'll take that M for $1,000.
And the game.
Complain.
They do. They complain sometimes. Boy, I mean, really? You just set him up and he knocked him down.
I know.
I'm sorry, Carol. We probably have a gift for you. Some kind of gift. What kind of gift is it today?
It's a big one.
Stereo cassette recorder. That's one of those things we're giving away on the Scrabble Summer Sweepstakes. Yeah. And here's Charlie to tell you about it.
Carol, for you, Hitachi's portable stereo radio twin cassette recorder. 4-speaker cone front with awesome sound quality. 3D twin drive system and a dramatic new styling. Music power furnished by Hitachi.
That's pretty nice. That's not bad at all. Is that one of the summer Scrabble Summer Sweepstakes prizes? Gary?
Yes?
I'm sorry, he just woke. Well, we'll get back to him later. Okay, Scott, let's see. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,000. Gonna come back in just a minute, play Scrabble Sprint right after this.
And now, back to Scrabble and Chuck Woolery.
Orman Day has $2,000. 34.4 is the time to beat. Scott Young is going to try to do that. He has 1,500. This is 4,000 and a chance at 5,000 bonus. Going to play the same 4 words. There are no stoppers. All the letters are good. And hit your plunger if you want to stop the clock. It's the only thing that'll do it. Here we go. First word, 5 letters. It's always in the top 10.
It's always in the top 10.
Ready?
Ready.
Go.
H. E. I.
It's always in the top 10.
8.
Yep. Second word, 6 letters. It's just one of those things.
It's just one of those things.
Ready?
Ready.
Go.
A. D. O. D.
It's just one of those things.
D. Doodad.
Yep. Next word, 7 letters. Kids are always wearing them out.
Kids are always wearing them out.
Ready?
Ready.
Go.
K. C. J.
Kids are always wearing them out.
Jackets.
That's correct. 13.2 seconds left for the last word. 9 letters. A real cut-up.
A real cut-up.
Ready?
Ready.
Go.
R. I. T.
A real cut-up.
A. S. Cuisinart.
That's exactly right. 3.7 seconds left. Good time. Very good time, Scott. It was tough. Well, Orman, you have $2,000 in our thanks, and you can backpack off again with that money, I guess.
Thank you very much.
And thanks for coming on the show. We enjoyed having you. Scott Young is up to $2,500. And, boy, that was a good time for those words. None of them really weren't that easy. Cuisinart was tough. Doodad, he got in like 2 letters, oddly enough. Yeah. But the rest of the time, Jackets took him a long time. I think you peeled that one off pretty quickly. $2,500 coming back. Going to try for $5,000 right after this. We'll be back. I got Scott Young with me here. $2,500, doing pretty good. So you work with computer graphics all the time. This is like just an extension of your job doing Scrabble.
Not exactly.
Well, maybe not. Okay. Anyway, 2 words under 10 seconds, and I'm going to give you $5,000. Scott. Okay. All right, here we go. First word, 6 letters. One way to draw a person out.
One way to draw a person out.
Ready?
Ready.
Go.
R. N. E.
One way to draw a person out.
C. Encore.
Boy, that was tough. That was a tough word. 2.4 seconds left. Now you can get this off the clue,
okay,
if you're thinking in the right direction. 7 letters. Sometimes they get a dose of their own medicine.
Sometimes they get a dose of their own medicine.
Ready?
Ready.
Go.
D. Doctor.
You got it. You got it. Very good. The man is on the scene. Oh, don't you scare her. She's going to be scared. She's sweet. She looks so good. Hey, wait a minute. Tell me about who are all these people?
This is my wife, Yvonne. This is my little girl, Scotty. And this is my mom, Shirley.
Oh, it's nice to meet all of you. Isn't she cute? Look at this. Can you get a close-up? Can you get a close-up of her face? I mean, this one is a doll, baby. She is so cute.
Are you hiding?
Yes, she is. There you go. There you go. She's still. Oh, those eyes. She's so pretty. $7,500. And the bonus is at 5. See you next time. Bye-bye, everybody. Come on down.
Scrabble, starring Chuck Woolery, is produced in association with Exposure Unlimited. This program is based on the Scrabble brand crossword game. This is Charlie Tuna speaking. Scrabble is a Reg Grundy production.